Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all some wireless earbuds right here. They do connect via Bluetooth, so this is really cool. I did receive these products to review on my channel, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. So that being said, this is Feel the Music. It's the TWS Dual Ear Training Wireless Earbuds. And this is how they come packaged to you from Amazon. Go ahead, I'll throw a link in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out, let me know what you think. You can go see photos, read some more tech details on these earbuds from Amazon and see the most accurate price. So these are definitely for somebody that's on a budget, and they're really cool. So it's wireless earbuds. Seriously, no wire between the two buds. It's truly wireless. So they sync to each other and then they sync to your phone. And it has a charging case built in, which is really cool. So here's how they come packaged too. Really nice box, very Apple-esque, really solid cardboard material, really nice designs. You got the cool product imagery right here, and it's actually even slippery, so they got a really cool way of printing that on there. So really a cool box, really well thought out, and just kind of shows you the quality and the time that they took to even do that. So it's showing on the side, it says HD voice, it's showing the wireless earbuds. We have a little water symbol and a feather, so I'm assuming it's about the dust and the waterproofing. So that being said, it's IPX5 rated, which basically means they spray it with a nozzle and it survives. So I wouldn't take these swimming. If you're out in the rain running, you're going to be okay. That sort of thing. So really cool. Without anything else to say and show you, we'll go ahead now and set the headphones up and open them up. Cool. So here is what it looks like. What you see right out of the case is the charging case and the headphones. In here, I'm going to guess we have some sort of charging cable. Yes, we do. So we have a USB to micro USB cable. Want to hold on to that. A couple of different earbud options right there, which is nice depending on the size of your eardrums, that sort of thing. We have the user guide right here in a different language, which is okay. Hopefully they have... See, they have the English instructions right here. Pairing should be pretty easy, straightforward. Definitely want to hold on to this. It'll show you how to use the buttons on it to play, pause, turn the volume up, down, that sort of thing. Now, for the headphones themselves, you plug in the charging port right there. And there's the little battery. And the case just opens. I thought that was a button to open, but it just has a little lip right there you can grab. And that's just a nice magnetic clasp, which is cool. So it looks really cool. Yeah, really happy with this. This is a nice presentation, really easy, portable. I mean, fits right in your hand. So if you need to travel with this, that's going to be really convenient, and it'll charge as well. So here we go. They got magnetic into here as well too. So you even see you got your left earbud goes here, your right earbud there. And it should power on and activate them right. You can see, so it is charged. It's got the charging LED right here. Two of them are already lit up. So we do have some charge, and they should automatically pair to each other once they're taken out of the case. And then we got the left earbud and the right earbud. We'll see how they fit in the air. And then you have your two control buttons right here, which is nice. So they're blinking. They're blinking blue. They've got the blue light showing. So hopefully we'll be able just to pair them right away. Pretty comfortable in my ear. I'm not gonna lie. They feel pretty good. You can rotate them around however you want to make them nice and snug in your ear. Really happy with that. Pretty cool if you can see. Fits right in. Now we'll go set up Bluetooth and see if we can pair a new device. So I may have to hold down this button on the left ear for 3 seconds. Now they powered on. So that blue LED was showing me when I pushed it that they were actually off. Now that they're on, I should be able to add the device. So it's telling me the left and the right channel are connected when I turn this on. Now it's showing, once both are on, X8 space L is its name, and I can connect to it. It played a tone, and now it is saying it's connected, and I have 100% battery, which is really cool. So now we'll go ahead and we'll grab a song really quick and see how we enjoy it. And then I'll put it up to the microphone so you can see the sound quality as well. Wow, I'm really impressed. They sound really good. Pretty good bass. they're actually, I don't know if just because they're in my ear or what, but they just seem to have better quality than I was anticipating. So I don't know if that's just helping kind of block out surrounding noise. But they're really cool. So I'll turn it all the way up now. And I'll put it by the microphone. Hopefully you can hear that. They pack a really good punch for being so little. I love all things headphones. I have a lot of review videos on headphones on here. I guess I always say I'm not picky on brand, and I'm not even that picky on quality because usually I'm listening to stuff at work, in the car, on a walk, that sort of thing where you're already distracted anyways. So to me, I always just like to shop on price and then, will they be good enough so in 6 months or a year I can get another pair or I'll end up losing these, that sort of thing. So I'm happy. They have a really good price on Amazon, so go ahead, check that out. I mean, this is just the initial review, but really comfortable. They just fit in the ear. Really feels like it's sculpted to the ear. And I mean, I'm happy with them. And like I said, I go through a lot and review a lot of headphones on here. So they're really cool. Obviously, it's up to you to choose what you want. I'd highly recommend going on Amazon, reading some reviews, that sort of thing, doing some shopping if you have other ones in mind, checking out my other videos to see if there's another headphone that might be better suited for you. But again, if the price is right for you and your budget and you've read some reviews and you've seen enough to know, and you've seen this video just to know what you're actually physically going to get, that's really cool. And I hope you guys make the right decision. Feel free to ask me any questions or comments you have. We can see how these hold up long term, but pretty sweet. Again, just as another pair to keep, in a travel bag, that sort of thing. Just really nice to probably have a bunch of these, one in your car, one in a travel bag, one at home, one at work, one at the gym, whatever. These are pretty cool, pretty easy to use, very easy, straightforward. They have these little buttons right here that you can control, 3 on this side, does something, 2 taps on the right side to turn volume up and down, that sort of thing. It really makes sense, really easy to use. The manual tells you all about it. So really cool headphones, really easy to use. Again, you have 2 buttons right here. That's it. Controls everything. Or you can use your phone. So really nice headphones and nothing to jot here that, would be a negative. So I really appreciate you guys watching and let me know if you have any questions, comments, that sort of thing. And I look forward to hearing you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I have a newsletter. Join that as well for some giveaways, promo codes, that sort of thing. And to just hear more about my channel. And I look forward to getting to know you guys better. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.